Okay, so the cloud. Everyone talks about it. Your photos are in the cloud, your email is in the cloud, your embarrassing high school essays are definitely in the cloud somewhere. But what actually is the cloud? Is it magical? Spoiler alert, it's not a cloud. Let's fix that. Here's the truth. The cloud is just someone else's computer. That's it. That's the tweet. But not just any computer. It's a massive warehouse full of computers owned by companies like Microsoft, Amazon, or Google. These warehouses are called data centers, and they're all over the world. When you save to the cloud, you're really just saving to a hard drive in, like, Virginia or Ireland. Okay, but why do we even use it? Let's compare. The old way. You buy a server, stick it in your office closet, plug it in, hope it doesn't overheat, and pray your intern doesn't unplug it to charge their phone. It breaks? You fix it. Need more power? Buy another one. Expensive. Slow. Annoying. The cloud way. You rent power from Microsoft Azure. Need more storage? Click. Need less? Click. Server dies? Not your problem. They fix it. Pay only for what you use, like Netflix, but for computers. It's the difference between owning a car and just calling Uber. Sometimes you just want the ride, not the maintenance. The cloud gives you 3 superpowers. 1. Scalability. Your app goes viral tomorrow? No crash. The cloud just adds more servers. Traffic gone? It scales back. Perfect. 2. Accessibility. Team in Tokyo, servers in Texas, your cat walking across the keyboard. Everyone sees the same files. 3. Cost savings. Pay as you go. No giant bills up front. No servers collecting dust. It's like switching from buying DVDs to streaming everything. So remember, the cloud isn't magic. It's not floating in the sky, and it is definitely not made of water vapor. It's just renting really powerful computers from really big companies, so you don't have to deal with the headaches. And for the AZ900 exam, this is the one thing Microsoft wants burned into your brain. Azure is Microsoft's cloud, their worldwide network of data centers ready to run whatever you throw at it. Next episode, we're talking why every company is obsessed with moving to the cloud. Hit subscribe if you want Azure explained like you're 5, not like you're a robot. See you in 3 minutes.